2, 3. I want to be the best I can. Bass, Nisha.
Ooh, Daniel.
Alright, go ahead, Daniel.
Yes!
Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3. I want to be the best I can. They want to be the best they can. Yes, we can. Woo, good job. So these guys are practicing something called It Takes Two. They're creating a rhythm that they're going to perform in front of the class. I want to be the best I can. They want to be the best they can. Yes, I can. You're not going to rumble. You're only going to rumble after I ask a question. If you agree with my question, then you rumble, okay? So I'm going to ask you a question. Rumble if you have a sister. Put it right in the center of the drum and move your hand, the base of your hand, the bottom of your hand should be just at the edge there.
Right here, the bottom of your hand.
And move it down, Peter, just a little. Good. Excellent. Now switch your hand. Good. Good. Oh, you know, we'll give her a clap. That was awesome.
Or what we're going to get out of the next 8 weeks. We're going to express ourselves through drumming. We're going to learn from each other. And
well, we've already looked a little bit about djembe drums, right? But we're going to look more about the history. How do we care for our djembe and how do we play it? And then we're going to do a reflection in your little books. And then we're going to do some free play on the drums, okay? 3 words here. 6 words. Mali, can you say Mali?
Mali.
Djembe.
Djembe.
Bass.
Bass.
Tone.
Tone.
What do you think we need to make this class run smoothly over the next 8 weeks? What's important? What should we have in this class? Listening when someone's talking. Let me see. Did I?
About 30 minutes.
Okay. Okay. This is goat skin. So if you look carefully, you see that? There's like so that's the face of the drum. And then the 4th part is the most important part. What's the 4th part? Yes.
You have to lift up the drum to make some noise.
That's true. That's what we have to do, right? But the 4th important part is the wood to make the noise, like the noise comes out. So can you see a tree here? Can you see a tree? I was so excited to learn about this. People, the young people, are the fruit, okay, in the tree, the fruit in the leaves. And then the branches, you know how there are branches in the tree? That is our family. And then the root of the tree are our ancestors. You know what ancestors are? What are ancestors? What's ancestors? Yes, family members that lived before us. So like way, like your grandparents, your great-grandparents, okay? Why is it hollow? Yes.
That way, when, like, if it wasn't hollow, the beat wouldn't really sound good.
You're right. And what's this called? Open or closed drum?
Open.
Open. Good job. Good job. Something that you wrote, Justice.
What is something that I wrote is one of the rhythms that was bass. And the second part was when I was drumming. The most fun thing for me was drumming.
The drumming, right? That is fun. Thanks for sharing. Was there anything challenging for anyone? A little difficult?
Drumming fast.
Drumming fast. Was that hard for anyone? It got a little difficult, yeah. You would agree? Yeah. You feel tired. Okay, shake your hands out. Get all relaxed. So what we're going to do every week when we finish, we're going to do an open play. All right, like we said, like free play on the drums. And we will do your 4 rows next week. And then we're going to end with something called foundational rhythm, which is like a chill rhythm, so we don't feel tired, we're relaxed and ready to go home, all right? So you ready? We'll just play a foundational rhythm. So you should just follow my lead, okay? Ready, set, just follow me. 1 big, good job. That's it. That's the end of the first session. Rhythm for life. So Yay!